Hey there, Daniel Lopez with successwiththepros.com. And what I want to be sharing with you today is I have a blog post here which is about being aware or beware of get rich fast programs online, because these are things that you need to be looking out for. And especially as a complete beginner, if you're on a shoestring budget and things like that, there are so many things to know and understand. But one of the biggest factors that really causes problems is misinformation. There are just endless opportunities, and unfortunately, the best opportunities that come up on Google's search engines and rank first aren't necessarily the best. They're the best at SEO, meaning search engine optimization. So that doesn't necessarily mean that they are the best programs, and so Google isn't necessarily always trustworthy in terms of what comes up when you do a search. And it can be really easy to get stuck with shiny object syndrome. So, a lot of people, and this has definitely happened to me more times than I'd like to admit, where I see a program and they make this promise of this is what you need to be successful online, and then I get it, and then I move away from everything else that I was doing before, and then you end up hopping from thing to thing, because everybody, like, there's always this new shiny object that's just going to help make you money online, and unfortunately, that's also a great way to lose a lot of money, and unfortunately lose a lot of money and have nothing to show for it. It doesn't mean that everything out there is a scam, though. But if you want the right path to success, what I think the best path to that is having the right trainer, coach, mentor, tutor, whatever you want to call it, somebody who's been there before, who is actively successful and doing things correctly. And that is what I want to share with you here. So, with Success with the Pros, we are bringing a free online event that you'll want to sign up for. And in this, we're going to have a lot of amazing online marketers, Barry Plaskow, Itamar Shafir, Simon Colson, Paul O'Mahony, and some others that are going to do these amazing trainings, free trainings for you to help you get started. And along the way, when you sign up, and the way you sign up is in here, you can either click on this button down here or on the home page here, and then you'll be able to sign up at successwiththepros.com. The link for both the article and the homepage are beneath this video. You can put your name and email here, and then you'll be signed up for this program. Now, as a bonus, you're also going to get a free copy of the ePassion Formula, which is by Barry Plaskow. And this is an amazing bonus. I think it is very underrated, but if being able to run a successful webinar is something that is of interest to you, and it may not be of interest to you at this point, but at some point you may want to do this, then this book is fantastic, because it goes through the whole sequence and flow of a webinar and how to engage with your audience, and then that ultimately allows you to increase your sales. So there's a short video under here from Barry, so you can meet him, see a little bit about what he's about and what is involved with his 7-week online training. And another thing that is another bonus is that as you're going through this free 7-week online training, I personally will coach you through anything. So if you get stuck, you have any questions, you're not sure about anything, you can feel free to email me, and I will get back to you. And that way, make sure that you have all your questions and you don't get stuck and overwhelmed, and then you can make the right choices that you need to make. So go ahead, sign up, and you'll be hearing from me if you do, and we'll move forward together as a team to do our best to ensure your success.